Feeling overwhelmed by the USA visa application process? Let's simplify it together. Welcome to our step-by-step guide, perfect for everyone from first-time travelers to seasoned explorers. We'll begin by untangling the complexities and addressing the challenges faced while navigating this essential procedure. Imagine a bustling roadmap where visas are your guiding lights to an American adventure. Is it the paperwork or the various visa types that seem daunting? Perhaps it's the fear of the unknown? Worry not. We're here to help you through. With clarity, simplicity, and encouragement, we'll break down each element, ensuring you understand what's needed and what to expect. Stay tuned as we walk through the steps, from selecting the right visa to acing your interview. Whether planning a short visit or a long-term stay, we're here to smooth your path and ease your concerns. Let's kick off this journey. Your gateway to the USA awaits. Our next stop will explore the different types of USA visas. Ready to discover more? Welcome. As you embark on understanding the USA visa process, let's explore the various types available. Each visa serves a specific purpose, tailored for travel, work, or study needs. We aim to clarify how each caters to different aspirations. For holiday planners, a tourist visa might be your gateway. If you're a scholar dreaming of studying at a renowned university, a student visa opens those doors. Professionals looking to expand career horizons will find their path in a work visa. Understanding these distinctions is vital to your application journey. Stick with us as we guide you through each phase. Next, we'll show you how to select the visa that aligns perfectly with your needs. Dive into discovering which visa is right for you. This guide empowers you with knowledge and confidence, simplifying the complexities of obtaining a USA visa. Choosing the right visa is crucial. This segment guides you through deciding on a visa that aligns with your personal needs. Reflect on your visit's purpose. Is it for leisure, study, work, or something else? The duration of your stay greatly influences which visa to apply for. Picture your ideal stay, short or long term. Getting the correct visa type is key to your experience. Understand the requirements for each category, ensuring they match your objectives. Avoid common pitfalls through diligent research. The right choice now can simplify your journey ahead. As you visualize your stay, be empowered to decide confidently. We're here to help you navigate your options effortlessly. Next, we'll explore the application process in more depth, assisting you further in securing your USA visa. Stay with us as we simplify each step. Applying for a USA visa can be daunting, but understanding the process simplifies the journey. Today, we'll guide you step by step. Firstly, visit the online application portal, your one-stop destination. Carefully fill out the form, ensuring every detail is accurate, as mistakes can lead to delays. Gather all required documents, guided by the portal's instructions. Take your time to ensure everything is in order. Once ready, review your application thoroughly before submitting. If issues arise or questions pop up, seek assistance. The application process, when followed meticulously, can be straightforward. In the next segment, we'll detail what documents you'll need, ensuring you're fully prepared. Stay with us as we transform this complex task into a seamless experience. Welcome to the crucial step of gathering required documents. We'll guide you through the essentials to save time. Start with a checklist: passport, recent photographs, financial records, and your interview appointment confirmation. It's not just about compiling a list, it's about correct preparation. Ensure documents are up to date and organized. Overlooking this can cause unnecessary delays. Double-check every detail to avoid missing key paperwork. Efficient preparation not only eases the process, but boosts confidence during the interview. Lay a strong foundation for your application. As our guide continues, we aim to address worries and provide tips. Our next segment tackles scheduling and attending the visa interview, crucial steps in securing your entry to the U.S. Stay tuned as we navigate these intricacies with insight and clarity. The interview is pivotal in the USA visa application process. It's time to turn preparation into action. Schedule your interview carefully, allowing time to gather documents and present yourself confidently. Check the consulate's calendar and book early to avoid delays. As the interview approaches, prepare for a friendly yet formal interaction. Expect questions about your travel plans, ties to your country, and visit reasons. The key is clarity and honesty in your responses. Preparation eases nerves. Practice common questions and organize documents for easy access. Shine with confidence. Staying calm and confident is crucial. Preparedness helps tackle any surprises. Next, we'll discuss common challenges and how to overcome them smoothly. Stay tuned for invaluable tips and insights. This segment focuses on overcoming obstacles in the visa journey. Many applicants face common challenges that can seem daunting. Let's tackle these by debunking misconceptions. Some may think a single mistake dooms the process, but most errors can be rectified. Misinterpretation of document requirements often leads to delays. Sticking to official guidelines and double-checking your checklist avoids this. The visa interview may feel daunting, but preparation is your best ally. Practicing responses to potential questions ensures you're ready. For each challenge, remember, there's a solution. Patience, preparation, and understanding are crucial. As we move forward, keep these strategies in mind and maintain your confidence. In the next segment, we'll focus on the final application steps, making sure everything is in place for submission. Stay tuned for practical advice to conclude this important phase. As you reach the final steps of your USA visa application journey, ensuring everything is complete is crucial. Review each application section carefully. Double-check details, from your personal information to required documents, to avoid mistakes. Even minor errors can cause delays. Breathe deeply. Verify each entry again, ensuring all is in order. Ensure supporting documents are in the correct format. If submitting physically, confirm they're properly labeled and organized. When confident in your application's completeness, submit it, knowing you've taken every step to secure your path forward. Applying for a visa is about diligence and preparedness for a new chapter. Next, we'll discover what happens once your visa is approved and how to receive it. Let's look at what's next in your adventure. Congratulations, your visa application has been approved. Soon, you'll begin your USA journey. What's next? You'll receive your visa by mail. Check your mailbox for the secure package containing this crucial document. Inside, find your visa, a gateway to endless opportunities. Learn how to use it properly. At the airport, present it with your passport to immigration officers. Understand your visa's terms, including stay duration. Keep your visa safe and ensure it's valid for your intended stay. This document is your key to exploring the U.S. Staying informed and prepared ensures a smooth transition. With your visa in hand, you're one step closer to everything the USA offers. As you embark on this adventure, we wish you safe travels and memorable experiences. Now let's reflect on the entire process, demonstrating how manageable it is with the right guidance. Stay tuned for our closing thoughts and encouragement for your exciting adventure. Reflecting on the journey to obtaining a USA visa, it's clear that once you grasp the steps, the process unfolds simply. Each stage, from choosing the right visa to mastering the interview, leads to success. For those just starting, clarity and preparation are your best allies. By understanding the requirements and following the guidance, you set yourself up for success. It's not just about a visa, it's the beginning of a new adventure. Picture arriving at your destination, experiences awaiting. As you prepare for this significant step, embrace the process with confidence. We've turned challenges into manageable tasks, creating a smoother path. Whether for work, study, or travel, your dreams in the USA are closer. With thorough preparation, a US visa becomes not just possible, but a roadmap to your future. Good luck on your journey. We're excited to see where your aspirations will take you.